The easiest way to make money online is to solve a problem. Yeah, if you want to make money online fast, you need to solve a problem. And I'm making this video intentionally because we are about entering 2026. So some of you are already, writing down, I want to make money in 2026, I want to start making money online, I want to start doing this. But let me tell you the fundamental. Before you can make money online in 2026, you first of all need to ask yourself, what problem can I solve? What problem can I solve? Because you must solve a problem for you to make money. Nobody's gonna come online and start dashing money to you. No, you should be solving a problem. And when it comes to solving a problem, think about how you can solve a problem under health, under wealth, and under relationship, because these are the three major places where people have problems and they are willing to pay, they are willing to give money to get solution for this problem. We have health. So if you're solving a problem under health, you're definitely going to make lots of money. If you're solving a problem under wealth, under money, finance, you will be making money. If you're solving a problem under relationship, you will also be making money. So the fundamental question you should be asking yourself now is, what problem can I solve? And this is where you need to go back to your drawing board and start writing down the problems you can solve. I'm gonna make this very, very practical. Onyi is somebody that have been solving problems for years now, and I'm gonna explain. Now I understand marketing, online marketing, social media marketing, selling online. It is something I understand. It is something I know how to do. It's a problem I'm solving for people that want to make money online, but they don't know how to get the visibility. They don't know how to do it. They want to make money online, but their problem is getting visibility and selling online. That is where I come in, because this is something I have learned to solve for myself, and then I understand the process. I now have a working blueprint that people can copy. Do you get me? So you need to be solving a problem. Ask yourself, what can you do? Are you somebody that you go to the gym very often, you understand how to burn excess weight and all that? That could be a problem you're solving under the health niche. Are you somebody that you understand investments, how to invest in stock, how to do this? You just understand the stock market very well. That could be a problem you're solving. Now currently there is this thing about paying tax in 2026 that so many people are confused, right? Should I register my business as a business name, an enterprise, or should I register my business as a limited company, limited liability company? People are confused. Which one will be the best for me as a business person? Now, if you are under any sector around taxing and banking sector, you understand this, then it is a problem that is trending currently that can actually make you money. Yes, you can use solutions to this problem to get visibility online by growing your social media presence. You can equally decide to create a course, because I've been seeing lots of courses on Instagram, on YouTube, people selling courses on understanding taxes in Nigeria, having the right knowledge and knowing how to run your business in 2020, and this is making them money. It is giving them visibility because it is trending, and it is equally making them money. So they are solving a problem. In a nutshell, they are solving a problem. So before you start making money, or before you write I want to make so money on your vision board in 2026, please first of all write the problem you want to solve. I want to solve this problem. Personally, I have written mine down. Yes, there are other things I want to achieve in 2026. I know one thing I'm struggling with personally is consistency. Now I want to solve this problem for myself. I have different YouTube channel. I am on Instagram. I am like everywhere now. I am like everywhere. and I know that something I'm struggling with is consistency, being consistent. Know that I don't have the time, but I allow other things that are not important to eat up that time, and I'm not consistent on my social media. So that's a problem I want to solve for myself. Now once I'm done solving that problem for myself, I can now solve it for others. So you have problems that you have solved for yourself. Maybe you are a student. How were you able to juggle being a student and then you are on the online space, you're an influencer on Instagram? How are you able to match both of them without one suffering? That is a problem you solved. That is something you figured out for yourself that so many people are struggling with, and then you can actually make money from that problem you've solved for yourself by offering solution, teaching people. You can use it to grow your social media. You can, have a digital product around it and sell that digital product. People want to buy. See, one thing you guys don't understand is that people are ready to buy solution. People are ready to buy, answers. They are ready to buy value. I usually see people asking, must you guys sell everything? That is your mindset. It is funny, right? But that is your mindset, and that is why you are where you are. Think about all this. Okay, look at Otedola for instance. Yeah, let's use Otedola. Is a billionaire. What am I saying? He's a billionaire. But Otedola one day woke up, wrote a book and sold his book. I think a few months ago he wrote a book and he's selling that book, both the hard copy, the soft copy. He is selling that book. Now you may be asking, must he sell everything? Do you know how much he has generated in revenue just by selling that book? Do you have an idea? Do you have an idea? People are buying, people are getting value, because go and check reviews from people that have read the book. They got value. They got value from their book. Imagine going into a billionaire's brain and trying to see how they were able to get to the point where they are currently. It's not something you get on a platter of gold, but this man packaged his own into a book. People are buying and he's making money from it. So stop asking, must you guys sell everything? Sell what you have. Sell your own. Sell your own. People want to buy. The point is, you're not thinking deep. I usually tell people, this is your mindset. You need to change it if you want to make money. What is that solution you have? People want to buy it. People want to buy it. That is what will give you visibility. That is what will give you growth. In fact, today I listened to a very young lady, I think on TikTok. She was saying, your money is not just in the cash we carry around. Your money is up here. Your money is in what you have up here. The solutions you have to problems up here. That is where your money is. Money is just paper at the end of the day. What will give you money over and over and over and over again is here. What is that product you can sell? It can be a physical product, it can be a digital product. Because sometimes people think, oh, it must be a digital product. No, it can equally be a physical product. Yesterday I made a video explaining how you can sell a very simple product. If you've not watched that video, please go watch it. What is the name of that product? Slimming tea, a green coffee that you can sell. I calculated everything in that video and I showed you guys your profit, almost 100% profit on a single product. And I didn't just stop by you importing and selling. We looked into how you can sell it online, how much you can use to, for your marketing and your advertising, and how much you will be left with at the end of the day. It is very practical. Go watch that video. I'm going to leave it at the end of this video and also down in the description. So it mustn't be a digital product. You can sell a physical product. Research on product that solves problem. That is what is selling currently. People are not just buying aesthetic. People are not just buying anything they see online. They are specific. They are very intentional with what they are buying. Solve a problem. Solve a problem. It could be something that will help boost immune system. It could be something that will help with male life, female life. You know what I'm talking about. right? It could be a product. There are loads of products on 1688 that you can research and sell. Research. Start researching now. Start asking yourself, what problem can I solve? Not just writing, I want to make money, I want to do this, I want to start making money online. What problem, what value are you bringing to the table? That is where your money is. That is where your money is, in the problem you're solving. That is why you see, I learned something. After learning a particular thing, I come on here, as I'm sharing it, I'm learning more. I'm learning more. When I think that, okay, people are so interested in this, I can decide to create a course around it and sell it, and that is my money. I sell that course and that is my money. There is a lady I saw on Instagram the other day teaching people how to edit video, and she was charging $50. A Nigerian lady, she was charging $50 to teach how to edit videos. Now she has solved that problem for herself. She has learned how to do it perfectly for herself, because if you go to her page, you will see lots of amazing, videos, and you can see that her editing is on point. So she has learned how to do it. Nobody woke up with that. Nobody was bettered with how to edit videos. It is something she learned, and after learning it, now she has perfected it to a good extent, and now she's selling that knowledge. She is selling that. Imagine $50. She's not small. If 100 people should buy that particular course, $50, I'm just giving you a rough calculation, because some of you really need to change your mindset come 2026. $50 times 100, she has $5,000, and then convert it. Let's say you're using 1,004 to convert it. That is 7 million naira on one product, and this is a product that she can sell over and over and over again. I know another person that is teaching people how to create content and make money as a content creator. She's charging $70 for that. You know of that Nigerian girl, her husband, what's his name, Frank, I think. Yeah, he created a course and he was teaching people how to edit video. I mean, he's a madass editor. When he edits, if you go to his page and you see his reels, the way he edits his reel, it is unbeatable. He charged $100 for his training. His is not even a course. I think 2 hours training, I think, if I'm not mistaken, and he's charging $100. And I'm very sure a lot of people from all over the world, not just Nigeria, are going to pay for that course. Now you can punch your calculator and know what he's making. So solve a problem. You can start by solving that problem for yourself. Use these few months, right? Solve that problem for yourself. Try to master it to a good extent, and then you can start selling that solution to people. That is the secret in making money. That is the secret in making money. Many people might not come and dissect it the way I'm dissecting it for you, but this is something that I understand. This is something I know, and I'm sharing with you all. So as you're writing, I want to make money, please say, I want to solve a problem. You can start by solving it for yourself. Let's say, I don't know, but you guys get what I'm saying. You understand what I'm saying. Solve a problem. That is where your money is. Hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to watch this video I made a few days ago on how you can sell a particular product and make loads of money, even up to 100% profit from a single product. It is on the screen. So I'll see you in this video. I love you.